Yo, bro, this thing is so huge. Like, dang. Alright, so my homie said that his house is right past here. It says one way to go. This guy's driving super slow, so we'll see. I mean, he just nodded to me saying good to go, so yeah. Okay, so I almost got cornered, but you would never expect to live here, yo. Okay guys, so GPS said it's here, but it's not actually here. Like, yeah, that's how GPS works. Alright, so before I head to the car meet, might as well grab me some Dutch. Alright, so we're just waiting on some couple of Mustangs to pull up, and we should be headed out to the car meet, yo. Ooh. I just did the worst wax job ever, but it's okay. It'll still work. Okay, so change of plan, you guys. The Mustangs aren't actually gonna pull up to us. We're pulling up to them because Mustangs had technical difficulties. I'm not really surprised, so like, let's go meet them. Bro, look how beautiful that is, my guy. Jeez, that's the Bermuda Triangle Mountain right there. Oh my goodness. Halloween day and it's so beautiful, my guy. Jeez, I did not know the homie had a louver on his phone. Oh what? Bus driver? What's going on? Oh, just lost my bag. No, no, no. So why ain't nobody tell me SS sounds so freaking nice? Oh, we just met up with the homies. What's up, Rico? That's the homie Rico though. Sweet, we got the Mustang, Camaro, and Mustang, yo. And I guess we're about to just head out to the car meet after this. What's up? I'll come get gas next time. We're just waiting on the last guy. Oh, so I'm guessing these two motorcycles are during the cruise too. Halloween, yo! Happy Halloween! Alright, so we just pulled up to the car meet. Looks pretty litty. Just don't know where to park though. What the heck were those cops for? Ew. The light's been red for like 10 hours. Yeah, finally made it to the car meet. Damn, this place is packing the what? Wait, where did everyone come from? Holy crap. We got food trucks? Okay, I see y'all. Like, they really got Halloween lit. Sheesh, everyone's in their costume but me. I mean, my mask does count, right? This boy got the tripod in his camera. Look at this Z350 food. Let me get past you, homie. Can't even see me because my tents. Oh, look at this. BMW. Imagine you're at a car meet and your car gets hit. Yeah. I mean, that was sick. Hey, we got my homie just one car up ahead. I mean, I know they looking, so like, you can tell they love it. Oh, look at that doggy.
She was so confused, she's like, oh shoot.
Hey, cute doggy. They didn't even hear me, so like, doesn't even matter as long as I said it. Make sure I don't hit nobody. Make sure I don't hit nothing. Oh, look at that, Scarlatano. And we're in front of Bimart. I gotta make the hardest turn ever in life. Gotta make the hardest turn right here. Sheesh. All with one hand. And I do that. I did that. Oh, she just dropped her candy bag. Huh? Sheesh. Bro, no way. They got a freaking Netflix, they got YouTube, they got Spotify playing. Yeah, they're not playing around with the music, I guess. See, this thing is a low. Oh my. Hey, we got the Mopar, my Mopar buddies. What's up? Trick or treat. I'm in your Mopar group. If you didn't know.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Good to see you. Be nice.
Okay, just gotta get through. Gotta let the doggy go first. Oh wait, did I really just come into the car mate with the dirty mirror? Dirty windshield? Oh yes I did. Jeez, can't see nothing. Not one thing.
We're about to call him right now, because like, I mean, I'm friends with
Where'd he go? He went to go look at the next one.
Oh, I wish someone can toss a candy. I really want one. So I'm guessing that's all I wanted to see. Now I can actually head back home and do my own trick or treat, like, you know. Motor bus, motorcycle, what's up? What's up? Oh, we got the Asian 5.0 dude. Ooh. What's up? got the Asian cars pulling up. Nothing new, nothing. Banana Man. What the? What is Banana Man doing? That's from Fortnite. Ooh, that Z350 is gone. Looks like everyone's. He said send it, like. That's probably the coolest pumpkin I've ever seen. Oh, what is my auntie? Looks like we have got guests over there. Let's see what's going on.
Papa, the dog doesn't like you for that.
That's not called